Hi guys, it's Pamara Naturals here, and today I am going to be sharing how you can make a fenugreek tea for hair growth and hair health. There's a lot of videos going around and people reporting really great results on how fenugreek has helped them grow their hair, increase their length. It's got beautiful benefits for the hair, and I just thought I will share how I make my fenugreek tea with you guys, and also how I apply it to my natural hair. So if you're interested, you come into my kitchen and let's make some tea. Fenugreek seeds, also known as Methi seeds, have got many benefits for the hair and health in general. From antifungal to antibacterial to even anti-cancer, fenugreek seed can help you with relief from menstrual cramps, and it can also help detoxify your blood or cleanse your blood. And if you're a natural struggling with your natural hair or wanting to try something to help your hair growth or struggling with shedding, well, you're in luck, because fenugreek can actually reduce thinning and hair loss. It can help with an itchy scalp and increase shine and even control dandruff, guys. So you know, as naturals, this is gold for us. Fenugreek is rich in vitamin C, K, A, potassium, calcium, iron, and guess what? Protein. And we know that protein is great for strengthening the hair and will definitely help you prevent shedding and breakage. It also has nicotinic acid, which increases blood flow and oxygen to the scalp, and you know what that means: more growth, faster growth. It's also important to note that it also has folic acid, and we know that folic acid is great for hair, skin, and nails. Guys, I will link a few articles in the description below for you guys to check out and read all about fenugreek. But for now, let's get on with making this fenugreek tea. So you want to add 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds into a mason jar, and then you want to go ahead and boil some water, which you will then pour into your mason jar. I initially made mine in this glass, and all you need to do, guys, is stir it up after you've added the water. And with regards to how much water you add to your seeds, really depends on how potent you want your tea to be. So the more water you add, the less potent the tea will be, but then if you add less water, the more potent your tea will be. So it just depends on what you want. Do bear in mind, however, guys, that fenugreek seeds do expand. So I had to actually move my seeds or my mixture into a larger mason jar so that, you know, the seeds have got room to expand. So you want to allow your mixture to cool down, and you want it to just sit for about, you know, anywhere between 8 and 24 hours. I normally just do mine overnight, and this is my concoction, my tea. As you can see, the seeds have expanded. The tea is a lovely golden color, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to extract the tea. So grab a strainer and just pour the entire concoction through that strainer and into a bowl. With the seeds, guys, you don't throw them away. You can actually use them in a salad, a curry, or even a stew for added benefits. And there you have it, fenugreek tea for faster growing natural hair, plus all the other added benefits. All that's left to do is now to just pour it into your spritz bottle, and it's ready to use. Remember, always store your tea in the fridge. Maximum 5 days. You don't want to keep it any longer than 5 days, even if it's being stored in the fridge. And even if you live in a cool place, guys, always store it in the fridge. It does go rancid, and I made this mistake with my initial batches. So you can use fenugreek to hydrate your natural hair, and all you need to do is spritz a good amount onto your scalp and massage that in gently, And you also want to concentrate on the roots of your hair, because that's your new hair and you want it to, have all the benefits that fenugreek has to offer. And obviously you want to also apply it to the entire shaft of your hair, working it through gently and allowing for all the hair to be coated with the spritz, and also not forgetting your ends as well. Go ahead and seal your hair with your favorite oil or butter, and that's pretty much it. I will see you next time.